Greetings, this is JJ Media again doing another review, and as you see on the screen I am doing a review of some sleep headphones. If you're like me, you like laying down, and I listen to a lot of podcasts, a lot of news and just whatever, but I used to actually have plug-in headphones, and I would wake up with the cord wrapped around me, and I'm surprised nothing seriously actually happened to me. But I am reviewing these sleep headphones. I've had these for actually almost 8 months now, and they're Bluetooth. They're great. Actually, here it is. The full X, however you want to say it. But I highly recommend them. They're very inexpensive. My wife got them for me. One of the things I have noticed, though, I can't quite give it a full 5-star review. I've had to tape them because it started coming apart just a little bit, and I haven't got some electrical tape. I'm going to eventually redo it, but they work great. I've actually used these two nights straight before I've had to charge them up. So it's very they definitely last. And basically, what I do, I have my phone turned on. I use it through my phone. I shut off the screen. I put them on, and I go to sleep with either music or listening to something. You can do audiobooks, whatever. But I highly recommend them, and I'll have the link around here if you'd like to purchase them. And it's very good. Let me go ahead and just do a little bit about. They are $19.99. They're long play sleeping headsets with built-in speakers. Yes, you can do workout running. One of the other things, when I put them on, the speakers are in each side, and right there. One of the things I have noticed, that my head is big enough that I have to try to position the speakers, but it fits good, and put them on, and they're good. But click the link below or around this video. Highly recommend them. I am gonna give them a 4.5 just because of the hookup. I guess I've gone through several pairs of headphones, but this makes it easy to sleep, smooth against the pillow, and very comfortable. So make sure you purchase them if you want workout headphones, or if you go to sleep with them, listening to things. That's actually what I use them for. Thank you, and make sure that you like and subscribe to whatever outlet this is on, and we'll bring you another review. Thank you. Have a great day.